Built to ride. The story behind every frame. Have you ever wondered what separates an average ride from an unforgettable one? It's not just the trail, the weather, or even your skill level. It's the frame beneath you. Because every great ride starts with a strong foundation. Today, we're diving into the story behind a frame that's built not just to ride, but to perform, endure, and elevate every journey. The 26-inch mountain bike frame. Have you ever wondered what separates an average ride from an unforgettable one? It's not just the trail, the weather, or even your skill level. It's the frame beneath you. Because every great ride starts with a strong foundation. Let's start with what truly matters: durability. This frame is engineered with high-strength materials designed to handle rough terrain, steep climbs, and unpredictable trails. What does that mean for you? Fewer worries about cracks or wear, and more confidence to push your limits. Whether you're riding through rocky paths or forest trails, this frame is built to take the hits so you don't have to. Now let's talk about control. The geometry of this 26-inch frame is carefully designed to give you better balance and handling. In real terms, that means smoother turns, more stability on descents, and a more responsive ride overall. You're not just riding, you're in control of every movement. And if comfort matters to you, this is where things get even better. The frame's design helps absorb shocks and vibrations from uneven terrain. So instead of feeling every bump, you get a smoother, more enjoyable ride. Less strain on your body means you can ride longer, go further, and actually enjoy the journey. Another key advantage? Versatility. The 26-inch size is ideal for riders who want agility without sacrificing stability. It's perfect for both beginners looking for confidence and experienced riders who want precision and speed. Whether you're commuting, exploring trails, or just riding for fun, this frame adapts to your lifestyle. And let's not forget customization. This frame is compatible with a wide range of components, allowing you to build a bike that fits your exact needs. Gears, suspension, brakes. You have the freedom to create your perfect setup. It's not just a product, it's a foundation for your ideal ride. So when you choose this 26-inch mountain bike frame, you're not just buying metal and design, you're investing in performance, comfort, and long-term reliability. Every detail is built with one goal in mind: to give you the ride you deserve. If you're ready to upgrade your riding experience, take the next step now. Click the link below this video and get yours directly from the official site before it's gone. And if you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, gear reviews, riding tips, and performance insights, make sure to click on the video and subscribe to the channel. That way, you won't miss what's coming next. Because every great ride begins with the right frame, and this one is built to ride.